in for trouble. His luck has turned away. Nobody seems to care. Well, there's a cold moon rising. Another lonely day has passed and she's not there. Where love goes, where love dies, heaven follows. But it's more than meets the eye. Open your heart, let me hear you make up your mind. I wanna hear you call. Open your heart, to come near you, make up your mind. Oh, go before I fall. Oh. All right, come on. They lived in peace not long ago. A mighty Indian tribe. And the winds of change have made them realize that the promises were lies. The right man's greed in search of gold made the nation bleed. They had lost their faith, and now they had to learn there was no place to return, nowhere they could turn. Cherokee, marching on the train of tears. Cherokee, all right, you guys ready? If you know this one, sing along, yeah? Oh, 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 yeah. Oh. Days filled with joy, days filled with sorrow. I don't know just what to do. Am I happy today? Am I lonely tomorrow? Everything depends on you. And I've been waiting for the angels to knock on my door. I've been hoping everything could be like before. In this great future, you can forget your past. Dry your tears, I say. We're singing. Hey. One more time, come on. No. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're singing. Whoa. You guys are amazing, thank you! We're living together, but still this